Alright, rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2018 BMW X1 SDRIVE 28i. Doing a quick video, man. It's gonna be air filter and it's brake light. We got a brake light that's out in the rear. It's got an indicator on the dash, and we're gonna get to that. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it, man. Let's get it.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
So basically we got 1, 2, 3, look like 3 T20 screws. Get those out and we can get this air filter out. Alright, as soon as we get those, that's all I used. They don't come all the way out. Pull up on it, grab it, pull it out. That's all to it. Got that replaced. We're gonna go ahead and jump on the brake light. Alright, so I turned on the car, got it running, turned the lights on. Really don't need it running, but alright, we got a light here and we got a light here. Alright, and we go on the other side. We got a light here. We got a light here. And we got a light here. So we got 3 bulbs. This light right here is out. So we got to get up under here, open up the hatch, get behind there and replace that bulb. Open the hatch and we go up, look up. Got to take this off here. Just popped it down from the side here. Just popped it down like that. We look at this, we got a clip that's holding this plastic piece in. We're gonna get that down by pressing these in, and it'll pull down like so. Alright, and we have all 3 bulbs. Alright, so which one is it that's blown? And that would be this one. If you look straight through there, they're not connected. So this one is blown. I'll take that out and replace it with a new one. You see, I wasn't too sure which one was the right one that was going to be blown, because I knew they had these in here, these 2 different ones. So I just wanted to go ahead and get both of them, and I found out which one it was. That's it. 2825. Brand new bulb. That's it, plugged up and installed. Now, I wanted to make sure it was working. So you do got to have the car running to have these lights come on. So, and we back in there. Now you can see that light is on. Alright, that's gonna be it, man. I hope the video helped out. Until next time, Pull-Up King.